Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you guys what is the Boolean value. So the Boolean value is basically true or false. There will be times when you will need to have something in affirmative or negative. So true represents affirmative and false represents negative. So the way that works, you can actually write something as easy as is yes. So let's write is yes, and if I write true, you can see here this is giving me an error. That's because this is case sensitive, and in order to provide the value of true, you need to write the uppercase of T. So if I just print this out, print is yes, let's run the test. You can see the value is true. And if I just copy this line again and paste false and run the test, you can see this will show me false. Because the way Python works, Python will come from the top, and first it will see that is yes is set as true. Then this will see that is yes is set as false. So false will actually overtake the value of the first line, and is the value of is yes will be set as false. So whenever I'm just printing out is yes, this is providing the last value of is yes, which is false. So when you see this is saying false. What happened to my voice? So yeah, that is basically it. That is basically the Boolean value. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.